Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. Today, I'm going to tell you about the bird and the features of the bird. Let's go. A bird has four main parts. Every bird has these parts. The beak, that's the mouth area, the pointed little beak. That's where the bird eats from and picks up its food. Then there are wings, wings from which the bird flies. Then at the back, at the tail side, you can see the feathers. And the feet are called the claws, claws of a bird, with which it can walk. These are the four main parts of every bird.